Go on, my people. It's your boy Albino, Pandem Case again. Today, I bring you another episode of Surviving Wild. Goat soup, curry-wish goat. I who said that? Run up on me if you're brave and collect $2 to your chest plate. I'm serious. I wake up this morning and I say, Albino, you run from gyal, you dodge from Babylon. But have you ever escaped your own mind? I try meditation today, my people. Close my eye, inhale, exhale, and what I find? Silence. Then beer noise in my head, regrets. One girl from last year, we mash up my heart, everything rush me like KFC, I give away a free chicken. But I push through, and then I realize peace of mind is the most expensive thing in this world, and nobody can sell it. Not even high-low. We chase money, love, and likes, but you have to listen to your own spirit. Sometimes you have to silence the world to hear the truth in your belly. And at every moment you have to trust people. Some people smile when them see you still, just to tie you down with them rope. Big up all the goat them seeking balance. Just remember, inner peace nice, but stay strapped spiritually seen. Full Rammy Energy. Me no soft tongue. Me no hesitate to give $2 clean to your sternum. Big up on yourself. Me gone. Just drop a b.a.k.a. in the comment section before me buck down the algorithm.